The challenges are going to be execution, a common refrain for the company. Can Elon Musk continue up this pace? We saw an announcement this weekend that in China, they've begun production of the Model Y, that compact sport utility vehicle, which we already have here in the States, and which is very important for the China market. The question is going to be, how much demand is there for that vehicle?
And would you think that the demand for it will be higher overseas, i.e. in China, than it will be? I don't even know whether it's coming here this year.
Well, it's already here, and it was here last year, and it was part of the reason why.
Okay.
Part of the reason that Tesla was able to kind of continue to see some sales growth in the U.S. here when you look at some of the numbers. The segment is very important. In the Chinese market and the U.S. market, small SUVs are very popular with buyers, more so than cars, in fact. So Tesla is a little bit then out of step having cars out on the market rather than these SUVs. So the Model 3 is seen as supremely important for the China market. But when you look at the U.S. sales, they don't break out those results. But if you look at like auto data estimates, the Model Y has not overtaken the Model 3 in U.S. deliveries. And that, is curious. And perhaps it could be a production issue. They don't have the capacity for the world. So once that China factory starts putting out those SUVs, that's going to be the big test.
How worrisome is the fall off in sales of some of the higher price models? And how concerned should we be about factories in Berlin and Austin? What do you be watching there? Quickly, please.
Yeah, very, very big. Those Model S and Model X, those are big, high value products. Investors and some fans are looking for a refresh of the Model S this year. I'll note that the plaid version, the $140,000 version, is going to be able to go to 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds, is expected later this year, and that could be important.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.